Arnab Goswami wadai angkor baru top journalist jongka Republic Wall habas dang ya kajing keren kubor ulapan pau ya la kajing Sniew halor kajing kenok Sniew ki bomdom nong rim ya kajela Meghalaya kamtam ya kinong syang shnong katain sora bat ya kibor pulit jong kajela kajing kenok ki balami langba ki national media baper na ki family members jong uraja bat kasonam bat kumju na ki Riew Paidbah jong kajela Madhya Pradesh kilakta shisha ya kajing Sniew jong kinong syang shnong kajela bat kamtam kala aru ban kta ya kamiat kabaha jong kinong syang shnong bat kumju ya ka tourism sector jong kajela barok away Arnab kum away na ki student kajela Meghalaya ubala pulih hasain Edmond Shillong ulapan pau ya la kajing Sniew diaw halor kini kijing kenok lamler bala shutau bat kijing Pynbudnam ya kajela Meghalaya barok away kum tau la kon tu ya barok kibala kenok lamler ya ka Meghalaya bakin sange no ban Pynbudnam bat kenok Sniew ya ka Meghalaya namaruong ba ka Meghalaya bat kibriu jongka kimdon jing yedai AA bat kene ka kampanyam ka Meghalaya kadai ka jela ka ba itenat bat ka ba itiang kumtaru kibriu jongka kilong ki ba itenat kibasbun bat ki ba kloy baniram kumta dalade ulapan map na kabenta kini ki AKA baro ki jing Shah Pynbudnam jong ka jela Meghalaya sengap mantai kini ke video hadu bandakun bapin yo Sniew ya ki kentin ke ba uni orang ba ulakren.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want to begin with a comment on the murder of Raja Raghuvanshi, who was killed by his wife, Sonam Raghuvanshi, just 11 days after their wedding. And the first comment I wish to make in this matter is that people should stop referring to it as the Meghalaya murder mystery. That is so wrong. Meghalaya, a beautiful state, a wonderful state, with peaceful and kind and generous people. Meghalaya has nothing to do with the quote-unquote murder mystery. This is a murder which could have happened anywhere in Uttar Pradesh or in Delhi. Meghalaya has nothing to do with it. And I want to begin by saying this, and as someone who has spent a lot of time in Meghalaya and has been a student of St. Edmunds, Shillong, I feel so terrible, and as someone from the Northeast myself, at the stereotyping that's been going on over the last few days, linking Meghalaya to the murder mystery. It's so wrong, ladies and gentlemen. We owe an apology to the people of Meghalaya.